I'm gonna tape you and your nails. See, that's gonna be hard. That's gonna be hard, girl. Whew. Making kopiak sen. I think I need a KitchenAid.
KitchenAid? What do you mean?
Yeah, to mix the dough. It's hard.
Oh.
It's time.
Oh, like the flattener?
Huh? Your mommy hold that for you?
Huh?
Huh?
No, I got it.
Looking good.
Sure, you didn't put too much flour.
Why? Put 9 cups. I'm thinking maybe I need to put more.
This would have been easy if you did it on the table.
We'll put it on the table?
The table has to be clean though.
What are you talking about?
The table has to be clean.
That table? Mommy cleaned the counter already.
That counter?
Yeah,
So
I
I can
cleaned
put
it.
it on there?
Yeah, I cleaned it. But I think it's easier in here, no?
Is it?
You're doing good, my love. There you go.
Sticky.
Please don't get hair in there, okay?
You want to do it?
Keep going. We don't want your hair in there.
You want to do it?
No, but we don't want your hair in there. Do you want your hair in there too? It's looking good, my love.
I go farther like, damn, what's taking her so long to wash dishes? Comes outside, sees me with dough. Oh, so you mixing dough.
Hi, Aiko.
She's gonna post on her Instagram.
Aiko wants to take over.
I don't think I can.
Let me go get Aiko cutting noodles.
She's already
Get
done.
for the very first time. Good job. Look at that.
Why
And Tale is rolling the dough.
you gotta give her.
I got another helper.
Oh, there you go.
Another
There you
helper.
go. That's Facebook.
Got another helper. Yay, yay, yay.
Came in about time. I'm just kidding.
What is it, my love? Lots of noodles. It's 4 bags. Here we are. Yummy, yummy. On a nice, cold, rainy day. It's raining outside. Orchids. Almost all the flowers have bloomed. Yep. This one's knocked out after the kapiak. Hear the sound? Here's the yard. It's messy right now, putting together my planters. It is coming down.